Headaches that won't go away, anxiety that keeps you up at night, sleeplessness that drains your energy. Sound familiar? These common issues might seem small, but they could be signs your body is missing something essential. Did you know that ignoring these symptoms could lead to long-term health risks, forcing you to rely on chemical medications with side effects like dependency or liver damage? What if I told you there's a natural solution that's been trusted for centuries? Enter chamomile tea, a soothing herbal remedy that promotes overall wellness. Stay tuned as we uncover its powerful benefits and how it can transform your health naturally. Chamomile tea, especially German chamomile, is more than just a warm drink. Packed with antioxidants like apigenin, it's celebrated for its ability to calm your nerves, improve sleep, and support overall wellness. Today, we'll explore 5 key benefits backed by science and how you can make the most of this herbal treasure. Say goodbye to sleepless nights. Struggling to sleep? Chamomile tea is your bedtime hero. A study in molecular medicine reports found that its apigenin compound binds to brain receptors, promoting relaxation and reducing insomnia. No more restless nights, just deep, restorative sleep. Reduce anxiety naturally. Feeling overwhelmed? Chamomile tea is known for its calming effects. According to the Journal of Clinical Psychopharmacology, chamomile significantly alleviates anxiety symptoms, making it the perfect choice for stressful days. Ease chronic headaches. Is chamomile tea good for headaches? Absolutely. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce chronic migraines and tension headaches. This natural remedy offers relief without the side effects of chemical painkillers. Boost heart health. Research in phytotherapy research shows its flavonoids can lower blood pressure and cholesterol, protecting your cardiovascular system. Your heart deserves this herbal support. Support women's hormonal health. Chamomile tea is a staple in Teacurry's PCOS tea blends. It's known to reduce menstrual cramps, balance hormones, and improve reproductive health naturally. Ladies, this one's for you. Making chamomile tea is quick and easy. Here's how you can do it at home. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried organic chamomile flowers. Steep them in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain, add a bit of honey if desired, and enjoy a cup of wellness. For an extra boost, try blending chamomile with other herbal teas like Teacurry herbal teas to target specific health needs. Chamomile tea isn't just a drink, it's your partner in health. Whether you're battling stress, headaches, or sleeplessness, this herbal remedy offers a natural solution for a better life. Don't wait to make this change. Like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with a friend who needs to know about chamomile tea. Subscribe to Healthy for more herbal health tips and natural remedies. Your wellness journey starts with 1 cup. Let's embrace the power of nature together.